the Kurnel MC, the Wackiest jam. It's time to take a ride up. Come on, let's go. Yeah, wind it up, wind it up, wind it up. Come on. Let's get the ball rolling. Hit you with the Wackiest jam and y'all know it. We got the up, lay down and we match that sound. Now the mic switched on for mad flowing. On the face I get jacked with something new off the beaten track. It's so fat, we making biggie bounce while you listen out, cause everything else is we roll deep in the club, something a little different. Everyone jumps and bringing the real brilliance, flipping it up, get so deliberate, got so much fun. And guess what? We going big like Jumbo. All of my people come here to come follow. Left Job and J King and the Kurnel up in the system. How's that for a combo?
Get the people dancing. Get the people dancing. Get the people dancing. Get the people dancing on the white bush. Get the people dancing. Get the people dancing. Get the people dancing on the white bush.
Wind it up, wind it up, wind it up. Come on.
Get the people dancing. Get the people dancing. Get the people dancing. Dancing on the white bush. Get the people dancing. Get the people dancing. Get the people dancing on the white bush.
It's time to take a ride up. Yeah, let's go. Take the jam and you spread it around. All corners of the earth, moving all the way down. Feels good flipping the ground upside down. Deep balls on fire and a coffee put out. On the bass I get jacked. It's something new off the beaten track. It's so fat, we making biggie bounce while you listen out, cause everything else is